Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of social science. In this class, you will learn about map skill, how to fill map, and how you have to fill different states in political map of India. First of all, I want to tell you what is map. A map is diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. On your screen, you can see this is political map of world. This is political map of world. Okay, and in this you can see India. Here is India in world. Now I will show political map of India also, but before this you must know that there are three types of maps: political map, physical map, thematic map. But in class 3 you will learn about political map only. Here is India's political map. In this map you can see boundaries of different states and union territories. In India we have 28 states. Till last year we had 29 states and 7 union territories, but now Jammu and Kashmir, these are separate two union territories. So according to new map we have 28 states and 9 union territories. So this is filled map of India, India's political map. This is blank map, right? With this type of map you have to paste in your notebook. India political map. Whenever you go to bookshop, you have to ask, please give me 5 political maps of India, right? And you will check it should be new. Tell your bookshop uncle, aunt, whatever, say, please give me new political map of India, and you can check. This is Jammu and Kashmir, and here is this demarcation. So you can check also, right? So when you go to bookshop, you have to ask new political map of India. Okay. Whenever you see a map, so on the top, we have north direction. We have 4 directions: north, south, east and west. So whenever we see a map, so top of the map is north, right? Bottom of the map is south, and right side of the map is east. This is east direction, and left side of the map is west direction. Okay, for today this is all about map. In next video I will tell you how you have to write map skill in your copy and how will you fill maps, right? Till then you have to buy 5 political maps and you will how will you paste? I will tell you in next video. Have a nice day.